All right, now today we are beginning, this is Sunday, correct?
Yes.
Sunday, and we just had a lovely meal at, where did we just eat? What was the name of that place?
Fuwari?
Fuwari. This is like a local vegetable place, and we are actually around the Narita airport right now. So we are at the, as you can see, a lovely little airport museum out here. Lots of examples of helicopters and planes. This is like a paradise for young kids, especially boys.
Yes.
So we are going to go check out things, and we'll also take a look inside some of the airplanes and see what we can find. Yeah, hello. Well, we are here in Miss Kumiko's kitchen, and we are going to make, why don't you introduce what we are going to make today?
We are going to make karaage.
Karaage. So what is
chicken?
Just chicken.
Fried chicken.
Okay, so fried chicken. So
Japanese style.
what's the difference between fried chicken and karaage?
Fried chicken is with bone. And karaage without bones.
Okay, so fried chicken has
and
bones.
The ingredients are different.
Okay, all right. So let's go through the ingredients. You can teach me what we're going to do. This is actually my first time making karaage. It's very delicious. I enjoy it, but
first you put in sake.
Okay.
Japanese sake.
So Japanese sake, this is like alcohol, a special kind of alcohol, or just like cooking wine or something like that?
Just ordinary alcohol.
Yeah, just regular alcohol. All right. Well, you want to put it in there?
Okay.
Oh, looks beautiful. And how much chicken? And what about the chicken here? So how much do we have? You know how many grams or how many pounds?
700 grams.
700 grams of chicken.
Yes.
Okay, and we've got, and this is what part of the chicken?
A thigh.
The thigh.
Yes.
The thigh.
Thigh.
Yeah, this is it's a particularly tricky sound for Japanese people. Thighs, but you say it very well. Thighs.
Thighs.
So we've got 700 grams of chicken thighs. Cut chicken thighs, and we'll move on down the line here. What do we have next?
We have put the slice at grate.
Yep. So
grated onion.
Grated onion, and you can hear. We can put this to the camera a little bit. You can see that a little bit more clearly here. Ooh, grated onion. Grated onion. Do you need a spoon for that, or you just use your hands? Or I like to get into my cooking, use my hands and put my fingers on everything. So this is grated
ginger.
Grated ginger, as you can see here, just a little bit. Do you know how much that is?
2 small teaspoons.
Okay, so like some tiny teaspoons worth of ginger. You can put that in.
Okay. Then.
Next.
Grated onion.
Grated. Oh, this is garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah, so grated garlic. So we got grated onion, grated garlic, and grated ginger. Okay, and we can show this to the camera as well. It kind of looks like baby food, really. Some kind of like, but it smells. Oh, I like garlic. Okay, what do we have next?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, and how much?
2 big teaspoons.
2 big teaspoons, or maybe like a tablespoon of soy sauce. You want me to put my hands in that?
Yep.
All right, let's see here. I'm nervous. I don't want to mess it up. Nah, it's okay. I'll put my hands in there. Make sure they're nice and clean. I didn't lick my fingers or anything. Here we go. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so we mix the chicken here. So what we're doing right now is creating a marinade. We want to marinate the chicken. Marinate the chicken. So we will let the juices mix with all of the lovely ingredients that we have in here, and that will break down the chicken, add a little bit more flavor to it. So how much should I mix it? A little bit? Just is that okay? A little more?
More.
Really, you like really mix the chicken
until it tastes it.
I'm not gonna taste it, but I don't want to get some.
Really
Really get the flavor into the chicken. I'll tell you a story. One time, this was actually in Japan. I ate some chicken sashimi. Have you ever had that before?
No.
No, I don't recommend it. I was sick for like 3 days.
Oh.
So sashimi is raw fish, which is usually pretty good, but I had raw chicken, which you probably shouldn't eat. I do not recommend you eat that. We're gonna fry this up, which will be really tasty. But raw chicken, stay away from the raw chicken. Okay, more. Do we want to mix it more, or ready for more?
More. 2 more times.
2 more times, really. So I'm gonna like really. You can call this mixing the chicken, or it's like bread where you're kneading.
Kneading.
Yeah, like a KNEED. Like I need.
Kneading.
Yeah,
chicken.
so I'm kneading the chicken, or just really just kind of like mixing the flavor in there. Now we have the what is this?
Goma.
So the sesame oil. Sesame oil. So just a little bit of sesame oil, and I mix that all in again.
Okay.
A lot of people are very particular about their karaage, so they have a special recipe that you should be using. And again, we can do this here in a bowl, or we can put it into a bag and shake it. What do you usually do? Do you usually have a bag or a...
I usually do this thing.
Just with,
Same thing.
Just with a bowl.
Okay.
So if this is fine now, we will let this marinate for half hour, an hour?
Half an hour or 1 hour.
Yep. And then we will, after that, fry it up, and then we will try some karaage.
Yes.
All right. Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Now we are ready. The chicken has been marinating. You can see right here. Take a look down here. We got the chicken. It looks beautiful. Oh, look at that. Yeah. All right. So now we're going to take this. Is the oil getting close to ready? What do you think?
Yes. It sounds okay.
All right. So what temperature is the oil at right now?
About 170 degrees Celsius.
170 degrees Celsius. Now I'm terrible with doing the math, so I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but you can check that out. So it's looking pretty nice. We got some nice little bit of color there. That's a lot of chicken. Are you going to put all that in there at one time, or are you going to do 2 batches?
Two times.
2 batches? Okay.
2 batches.
How often do you cook karaage? Do you cook it like fairly often or not very often?
Sometimes once a week.
Once a week?
Once a week.
Once a week?
Looking good.
Looking good. Wow, look at that. Sweet, juicy chicken. So by doing this again, like if we leave it in there for a really long time, we're going to make the chicken really tough. So we want to just cook it for a little bit, and then we're going to take it out like we're doing now, and then we'll put it back in the oil at a higher temperature.
Yes.
So we will keep cooking the karaage, all of the chicken, and then we will come back maybe at the end and we will show you what everything looks like. Alright, well we made some karaage over here. It looks very delicious. I might have even overcooked it a little bit, but I like it like that. So. Anyway, looks like we're actually going to run out right now and go play some basketball for a little bit. So we're not even going to eat this just yet. We will come back and enjoy it later. And then maybe we'll even get to see a little bit of basketball in the video. And we'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Well, can I have a hug? Hey. All right. Well, I will say goodbye. It was a pleasure, and I look forward to releasing the whole video. And this time, I'm getting the same height over here. Is that a fire alarm, or is that somebody? All right. Well, I will say goodbye. It's been a pleasure, and having everyone in the family over here that has been so fantastic.
We had a really good time.
Yeah. It was fantastic, and hopefully you'll get to see yourself in the video very soon, and you can practice double-sided tape and all the other things. Don't put my life in danger. All the other things, and then we'll say goodbye for this video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.